wanted to join the seriously नहीं लेते ह्यूमन होता है HR प्रोफेशनल वाला. Why it is not easy sending a condolence? What kind of mindset a person requires? Do you feel it is easy? दुश्मन भी है. Dealing with human being, it's not easy. तो कोई काम ही नहीं है. Is there frequency lot of ready to sacrifice? You need to implement. Hi everyone, wishing you a very happy International HR Day, and this video is purely dedicated for all my human resource professionals. Since morning I have been receiving a lot of message from all my colleagues, all my peer group, everyone, all my people, those friends, those who are in the similar professions or not in the same profession, but they are sending the messages. I was not knowing that today is a International HR Day. So I was not knowing that today is a HR Day, but once I started seeing the messages coming, I realized that it is a HR Day, and why don't I share my thoughts on this day, basically what I feel. So before I move ahead, I just did the Google, and I will show you what I did. So I just did the Google that what exactly the HR Day is, that कि कब शुरू हुआ, किसने शुरू किया, क्यों इसको मनाते हैं. So I just did the Google. I hope this information is correct. What I read here is that Human Resource Professional Day or HR Professional Day was first referenced by Governor General Sir Patrick Allen back in October of 2013 and was created to recognize and celebrate human resource professionals who play an integral role in ensuring the success of organization by nurturing and developing the human capital. तो ये तो पता चल गया भाई, अक्टूबर 2013 में HR डे मनाया जाता था. लेकिन ह्यूमन रिसोर्स, अब ये इंफॉर्मेशन करेक्ट है ये नहीं है ये मुझे नहीं पता, बट 0.57 सेकेंड्स में ये इंफॉर्मेशन हमारे पास आई. सो हमें ये तो पता चल गया कि HR डे क्यों सेलिब्रेट करते हैं, राइट. और ऑफ कोर्स हर एक दिन जो भी हम चूज करते हैं, जो भी इंटरनेशनल डे मनाया जाता है, वेदर इट इज वुमेंस डे, मदर्स डे, फादर्स डे, सन्स डे, डॉटर्स डे और एनी डे यू सेलिब्रेट, we always celebrate it to recognize the people, and most probably that could be one of the reason that HR day has also been identified as one of the day to be celebrated. So I thought क्यों ना अपने थॉट्स को शेयर किया जाए ऑन ह्यूमन रिसोर्स. इससे पहले भी मैंने ह्यूमन रिसोर्स के ऊपर काफ़ी वीडियोस निकाले हैं, और उनमें से जो मेजर वीडियोस थे वो था कि HR एक संगीत है. आप अगर देखना चाहते तो मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक दे दूँ, तो गो थ्रू दोज लिंक, यू विल गेट सर्टेन आइडिया. बट आज मैं सोच रहा था कि थोड़ा सा और HR के बारे में बात करें, बिकॉज क्या लोग सीरियसली लेते हैं, क्या लोग सीरियसली नहीं लेते ह्यूमन रिसोर्स को, एंड हाउ दीज पीपल हु हैव बीन कॉल्ड एज ए प्रोफेशनल्स, what kind of character, what kind of behavior, what kind of attitude they need to carry with themselves. I'm sure this will help all the young HR leaders who wanted to join, and as I said कि मैं जितने भी मैंने HR related videos निकाले I'll put on the descriptions. Let me share what I further believe as a HR person. एक बात तो मैं ये बोलना चाहूँगा कि HR प्रोफेशंस में जितने भी लोग जुड़े हैं, ऑफ कोर्स उनका तो काम है, लेकिन मेरी नज़र में हर एक इंसान जो ह्यूमन बीइंग से साथ डील करता है इज HR पर्सन. आपको ये तो मालूम होगा कि एज ए ह्यूमन रिसोर्स पर्सन, एज ए HR पर्सन, HR वाले का काम होता है, HR प्रोफेशनल वाले का काम होता है कि उसको डील करना पड़ता है मशीन से नहीं, जबकि ह्यूमन बीइंग से. And dealing with the human being is not at all easy. Why it is not easy? Because अगर आप देखेंगे कि आज अगर आप 500 की स्ट्रेंथ भी अगर एक HR का पर्सन देखता है या देखती है, तो they are dealing with 500 mindset, my dear friend, 500 mindset. And to deal with 500 mindset, how much neutral, how much calm you need to be. एक पल खुशी है, एक पल दुख है. ये आपको पता है एक HR वाले के साथ होता है. What does it mean? The meaning is that one way you are conveying a birthday wishes, one way you are congratulating someone on the promotion, second way you are sending a condolence message. Situation different. One way, you are issuing an appointment letter, offer letter, and another way, you are issuing a termination letter. What kind of mindset a person required to handle these situations? Do you feel it is easy? I don't think so. To have such kind of a mindset, you need to do lot of, you need to have a lot of patience. You need to have a very calm nature. You should be a listening mode, and you should know what is going to be the impact and how you are going to deal with two these different kind of situation. HR दुश्मन भी है तो दोस्त भी है. दुश्मन किसके लिए है? जिसके लिए आपने कोई स्ट्रॉन्ग स्टेप उठाए, और दोस्त किसके लिए? जिनके लिए आपने उनके लिए खुशियां बांट दी या उनको अप्रिशिएट किया, आप उनके दोस्त हो गए. आज की डेट में एचआर को समझने के लिए या एचआर पर्सन को समझने के लिए क्या हम अपना वक्त देते हैं? Human resource is a function where you are dealing with human beings, and I always tell कि आप human being के साथ deal कर रहे हैं, and you are dealing with a life. It's not easy, and you have to think about it. It's not easy. चार एक दोस्त है, एक गाइड है, एक फिलोसफर है, एक फ्रेंड है, एक कलीग है, एक दुश्मन है, एक पुलिस है, मतलब एनीथिंग यू कैन नेम इट. बट व्हाट इज एचआर इज एनी ऑफ अस हैज एक्चुअली thought about. Many people says that HR has no work, and I am also saying HR has no work. But what work they do is not an easy work. They communicate, they connect. Whether it is bad news, whether it is good news, whether it is connecting with the bad people, whether it is connecting with the good people. So they communicate and they connect. HR person need to change their frequency all the time depending on the situation. They cannot be at one situation. People says that HR job is to send people for a picnic, people for birthday wishes. Yes, that is one of the job, but they are really doing a different job. They need lot of dare to do the act. Another way, they are committed to deliver the work. As I said, dealing with the human being required lot of research, lot of analytics, lot of thought processes. Special day, I would like to once again congratulate all the young talented HR professionals, those who are already there in the profession, those who wanted to join, those who are already studying, and those who have already thought about to become a HR person. My dear friend, if you have decided to come into this profession, you need to be ready to sacrifice. And before you say something, you need to act, you need to implement that first. Thank you very much listening to me and joining Chain of Life.